It is night time. Let's see how these lights work, if indeed they do work, and if I got them the right way round. Hello Maniacs. Today I want to install a couple of 3D shadow lights. Apparently that's what they're called. They're little courtesy lights under the doors that light up mini when you open the door. But first I need to read these translations. They're quite funny. Obviously they come from China land. 3D shadow light. Open special is different. Door lights upgrade parts. On the back, product features. Wait for this wind to go away. Okay. Product features: LED new energy, energy saving and environmental protection and low consumption lighting. That's fairly good actually. Good translation. Dedicated car easy installation. No need to change the vehicle. Well, that's good to know. 3D laser, a strong visual senses, more dynamic and more stylish. I'll be the judge of that. So, tiny little bag. And tiny little lights. These should just be a unclip, plug in, clip back in, Bob's your auntie. But we'll find out. Let's get underneath the door. Okay, let's see where these lights are hiding. I'm guessing they'll be in this sort of area. Oh, there they are. One there. So I'm guessing I push it that way or that way. I'm going to get a little flat plastic, like a screwdriver, but I don't want to use a screwdriver because it might break and scratch something. Give me a second, I'll see if I can find something suitable. Couldn't find anything suitable, so I found something unsuitable, which is just a fairly blunt screwdriver. As long as I'm careful, my wife won't kill me. Right, let's go under and have a look. Now, there's no markings on these to signify left and right, and by the looks of it, they look identical. So I'm hoping that either you can put them in that way, or there is a strange little turny thing in here. That might be for focus. It could be wishful thinking, but there is definitely a little turning lever in the inside there. We'll see what happens when we plug it in. Need to get this one out first. I've never done this before, so I don't know if you push it that way and pull it down, or push it that way and pull it down. Let's go with back to front. That doesn't want to come off. Let's try front to back. Trying not to damage the trim. That side is definitely tighter than that side, because I can't even get the screwdriver in without a fight. I might need to get a sharper one. Oh, my wife will kill me if I scratch this. As I say, that goes in, no problem at all. Oh, I think I just broke something. That's not good. Okay, let me go and get a sharper screwdriver so I can get in there without forcing it. Back in a sec. Right, let's try that again. I've got a smaller screwdriver. So, again, this is facing towards the front of the car. That goes in better. If I compare what I can see to this one, which is nothing. Yeah, I think it's actually the other side. I think when I pull that down, I'm seeing this. I can see those two little lugs there. Easy when you know. So this, pull it down that side, so that's the back of the door. Pull it that way, and then that reveals your little plug. Unclip this. I think it's just a pull-out job. Don't see any. Oh, there is a little catch there. we go. So that has got a little leg on it, so you don't put it in. It can only go in one way is what I'm trying to say. Plug this one in. As I say, these are both the same, so it doesn't really matter which one I use. But the thing is, the wire's only so long. If the other side is in the same place, then I'm going to have to hope that that little thing in the inside is going to change the direction of the lettering. If this will even go in. It should go in. It looks the same fitting. Let's just try the other one in case it is a slightly different fitting for left and right. I don't think it is. I think it's just a bit stiff. No, that's the same fitting. Doesn't want to take the pins though. I don't want to bend the pins, because then I can't send it back. I cannot get that in. I think the pins are misaligned. So, since these were cheap and they came from China, and let's face it, we're never sending them back, I'm going to bend these pins up a little bit to hopefully help with the lining up of the plug. I shouldn't have to do this. See, now it goes in. Okay, I am going to put the ignition on and hopefully we'll have light and no burning wires. Ooh, we have light. Question is, oh look, it says Mini. Isn't that cute? Now let's see what happens if I turn that black thing. Look, it rotates it. So that is what the black thing in the inside is for. You can rotate it all the way around. Excellent. Okay, right, I just need to do the same with the other side. I need to figure out which way round. Do I want it to say Mini as I open the door from the outside, or Mini as I'm leaving the car? Leave that with me and I'll show you what this looks like at night time, but so far it seems to be working. I like it. Don't know if you can see that, can you? Yeah, Mini, lovely. Just so you know why I was having trouble getting that plug in, this is the original light, and if you look at the pin location there, you'll see that the pins are nearer the top, whereas the new light, the pins were kind of in the middle, so I've bent them up that way a little bit just so that they go into the plug. Once they're in the plug, they kind of sort themselves out. But that's one little design fault that they obviously didn't take into account. Oh well, they're in now. Make sure you watch to the end of the video to see what these little lights look like in the dark. Now bear in mind, we've still got the Mini light on the wing mirror, so it's going to go Mini on one side. I might tape over that one, we'll see how they look. Meanwhile, I've just done my 9-month owner's review on this little Mini Cooper S. If you want to see that, click up there, or there'll be a link at the end of the video and in the description. So many choices. Meanwhile, we need to wait for the sun to go down. It is night time. Let's see how these lights work, if indeed they do work, and if I got them the right way round. Passenger side, as you can see, it's pitch black, so it should be a good test. That is rather nice. Obviously it disappears there because it's under the door and it's hitting the sill. But once it's visible, that is just lovely. Happy with that. Let's go and check the other side. The other side should be exactly the same. Now, what I was saying earlier, that is the light from the wing mirror, but the cover's obviously obstructing the image, and I'm not sure if I want both that Mini and that Mini. It's a Mini, I might actually just cover up the one in the wing mirror because that looks plenty nice. I'm happy with that. They work surprisingly well. Really happy with that. I might actually cover up the wing mirror one, partly because it doesn't work great because of the covers obscuring the view, but also it's a slightly different colour of LED. I actually prefer the cheapo version, which is a bit more of a bluey white. We'll see. I need to ask the missus, it's her car. Right, thanks for watching. That was a very short, well, hopefully it was short enough, but just a short mini mod, pun intended. More to come, I'm sure. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.